Hello folks, welcome you to the Tools Hub. Today, we're diving into a world where tools and inventions push the limits of human creativity. Get ready to be inspired, let's jump right in. This tool has so many features that I had to watch the video a few times to follow it all. It's impressive that it's all packed into one compact device. Checking the undercarriage of your car is no longer a hassle. This solution makes everything easy and professional, like in a high-end garage. With just one device, you can do a variety of different jobs. Drilling, grinding, polishing, nothing is impossible. It's hot without a fan, but with a little creativity, you can make your own cool solution. Smart clamps, small but powerful tool. Once you try them, you will want a few in your toolbox immediately. Why interrupt your work just to reach for a tool? The lifting clamp does it for you, ensuring your workflow is seamless. Carving wooden spoons by hand used to be a laborious task that took hours. Now, everything is automated, resulting in superior efficiency. A wonderful combination of ancient craftsmanship and modern technology. Everything you need for your work is now packed into one machine. Its speed, efficiency, and maneuverability make it truly exceptional. The ideal solution for those who love convenience. Still cutting bamboo by hand? Try this tool. You will be surprised at the convenience it brings. No need to climb a ladder every time you want to reach the ceiling. These stilts are the ideal solution to make your work more efficient and less tiring. With a little pull, you have a new reach. No more slipping or back pain. The chair can now rest. Precision and power. That's what you get from Makita when it comes to metal mesh. The joints are truly perfect. If you're watching this video on your television, a tap on your phone to subscribe to our channel will keep you up to date with all our latest content. When skill and passion combine, working with wood becomes gentle and artistic. He is truly an artisan. Harvesting is now not just a job, but a spectacular show. This giant machine operates with extreme precision. Cows have the right to beauty too. She's getting a professional pedicure, looking like she's in a high-end salon. This clever idea has made harvesting easier than ever. Farmers just have to take the rice home. Not only does the robot help with heavy work, it also helps elevate your dining experience. Let laser engraving speak for your brand. Fast, precise, and captivating. just the way you want it. This device will save you time and effort in all aspects of car care. No more struggling with complicated tasks. Car maintenance is now a piece of cake. This flashlight is so bright that it makes the darkness retreat. Truly a masterpiece of lighting technology. No more climbing. This smart solution helps you work at height safely and efficiently. This press works like magic, packing goods with speed and absolute precision. Click like if you also like the neatness this machine is creating. Resurfacing this surface is easy, especially when you know how to do it right. With years of experience, Bosch continues to bring modern tools that professionals truly love to use. A personal kit is nice, but adding a light is perfect. Painting into tight corners with a roller is usually a real pain, but not anymore, thanks to this handy tool. This laser measuring tool fits in your pocket. Whether you're a professional or just doing odd jobs around the house, it's always ready. Pay close attention to this part. It can help you save a significant amount of money when you need to repair your car. Need a quick cleanup? Give this machine a few minutes and your floors will be sparkling clean. After seeing this machine in action, I had to ask myself, what's the point of keeping the axe around? With rare precision and sophistication, this laser tool transforms glass into perfect shapes. It's like watching magic happen right before your eyes. For everyday chores around the house, this foldable ladder with magnetic tray is just what you need. Sturdy, portable, and very convenient. This tool keeps the lawn under control. It removes weeds and debris both effectively and aesthetically. From start to finish, this process is a must-watch. You won't want to take your eyes off it for even a moment. Shelves too dark to see? Not anymore. This lighting system helps you see everything clearly, even in the deepest corners. Even the largest logs are handled with ease by this machine. In no time, they become clean, even slices. Believe it or not, moving a toilet requires the right equipment, and it's worth it. Removing excess paint from your roller has never been easier. This device makes the job so simple you'll wonder why you didn't have it before. Even the toughest jobs are no match for this device. I definitely need one in my toolbox. Watching the hard metal rolled into sheets like clay is both mesmerizing and impressive. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you found useful tools for yourself. We wish you have a good day, goodbye, and see you again.